At the Houston Botanic Garden, nature blooms and discoveries abound. Our 132-acre site, nestled along beautiful Sims Bayou, is just a stone's throw away from downtown, and it boasts an exquisite collection of plants from the Gulf Coast and around the world. Our mission is simple and yet profound: to enrich life through discovery, education, the conservation of plants, and the natural environment.
It's a museum. It's a museum of plants, and it's a museum of nature. And we need to introduce that to every succeeding generation.
Thanks to the generosity of our philanthropic community, we raised $38.4 million to embark on a visionary master plan. We recognize the incredible contributions of the Garver family. Mike and his daughters Beth and Gretchen have been champions of children, community service, and the environment.
Mike Garver and I had a long-term professional working relationship in the engineering and construction world of municipal infrastructure. Mike called me shortly after his wife Susan passed away. Said that he wanted to do something in tribute to Susan, and he wanted me to meet with his daughters, and that was the initiation of the Garver gift to the Houston Botanic Garden.
We named our cherished Susan Garver Family Discovery Garden in honor of their beloved wife and mother.
We are super excited to be here. I think our mom would be really happy to see us sitting in this garden.
What do we learn at camp?
Kind of like some bug plants.
Oh, that is important, learning what plants you can eat and what you can't.
Mike's a mechanical engineer who got into construction of infrastructure. Mechanical engineers design pumps. And over here in this part of the garden, we have manually operated various kinds of pumps that kids of all ages can get in there and start making water flow. And then it flows down chutes, and they can lift little things in the slots to stop water or to redirect water down different chutes. And so those pumps to me are very, very indicative of Mike's influence on this garden.
We are so grateful for the Garver's contribution. This special place is where we connect with nature, spend time, and have fun.
I give people like Mike Garver and his daughters all the credit in the world for giving back to the Houston community and doing something like this.
How would you make the world a better place?
I would tell people to stop cutting down trees, and I would also grow more trees.
There's an old saying that says the best time to plant a tree is 20 years ago, and the second best time to plant a tree is today. Because you're not planting a tree for today, you're planting a tree for the future.
Let us continue to nurture the seeds of wonder, education, and conservation. As we preserve our natural heritage, we can inspire future generations, because this gift has allowed families like mine the opportunity to learn, enjoy life, and create memories.